The Curious Historian, it's classical in its approach. The Curious Historian is rich and robust. The Curious Historian is beautiful. The Curious Historian is easy to use. Hello, my name is Marie Campbell, and I am the series editor for The Curious Historian. For the students, every chapter includes maps, timelines, the story itself, imagery, questions, assessment, opportunities for deeper study. For the teachers, there are notes that both guide practically with pedagogical tips and embellish the teacher's understanding of the history that the students are receiving in their book. From the ancient world through the classical world to the medieval world into the Renaissance and the Age of Discovery. Let me show you a couple of pages. See the maps and the images, see the Colosseum here? Our authors have gone to great lengths to make sure that students are not only studying the art and architecture that is part of the historical narrative, but our designers have gone to great lengths to lay out a beautiful book so that the students are encouraged not only in what they're reading, but in what it looks like, to bring together truth and beauty in their own hearts and experiences. For the students, the chapters are arranged in an orderly pattern so they know what to expect, and it guides them along the story of history in a restful, predictable way. For teachers, really everything you need is here in the book and in the digital resources. You wouldn't have to go elsewhere. It's an ordered pathway for teachers with pedagogical tips all along the way, as well as recommended resources for deeper study.